Hi students, how are you beta? Today I will start the fourth point from the lesson of Maratha Sardar, the famous house of the Bhosles. Our fourth point is the temple of Krishneshwar. It was about 400 years ago. The temple of Krishneshwar near the Verur, but this beautiful temple was falling to pieces and also walls cracked. इस सुंदर मंदिर के पूरे वॉल्स क्रैक हो गए थे और ये पूरा गिर रहा था. द priest also had deserted the temple. मंदिर के जो पुजारी थे वो भी मंदिर छोड़ के चले गए. The temple which was built in honor of a great god was totally neglected. All the devotees means sabhi bhakta, all the devotees who came, they only see and mourned over the sorry state of the temple. Means they feel very sad when they see that temple, but no one thought of repairing of that temple. Beta, that was the temple of the Lord Shiva. A great devotee, a great devotee Shiva visited the temple regularly. He would put flower and bale on the lingam of Shiva and express his innermost thought to God. शिव जी के एक भक्त रोज मंदिर में आकर पूजा करते थे, उन्हें बेल और फूल चढ़ाते थे और मन की बातें वो शिव जी को बताते थे. He saw the condition of that temple and he decided to repair the temple. He carried out some extensive repairs to the temple and restored it to its original condition. Means he brings some labor and repair the temple and again brought it in original condition and also developed that temple. There were lights inside and outside and repair the walls and made it beautiful. Beta, do you know who was that devotee? Who did all this? He was Maloji Raje Bhosle. He was Maloji Raje Bhosle. Now, our next point. Our next point is the Bhosles of Verur. The Bhosles of Verur. Maloji Raje Bhosle was the Patil of Verur and he was great devotee of Shiva. Babaji Raje Bhosle had two sons, Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje. Maloji was elder son and Vithoji was younger son. Babaji Raje means father of Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje. बाबाजी राजे मालोजी राजे और विठोजी राजे के फादर थे. बाबाजी राजे had rights of पाटिल in the वेरुल village. वो वहाँ के मुखिया थे. मालोजी राजे and विठोजी राजे both were very brave. They had their services many armed Maratha troop. I told you that was the period of unrest and the Mughal emperor from Delhi had attacked the kingdom of Nizam Shah. Daulatabad was then the capital of Nizam Shah. Capital means Rajdhani. Malik Ambar was his wazir. Wazir means chief minister. निजाम शाह का वजीर कौन था? मलिक अंबर. Malik Ambar was also able and wise. He saw the bravery of the Bhosle brother and then he described the bravery of the Bhosle brother to Nizam Shah. Then Nizam Shah gave the Jagir of the Pune, Supe, Parghan to Maloji Raje Bhosle. मलिक अंबर ने मालोजी राजे विठोजी राजे की पूरी शूरता देख ली और उन्होंने निजाम शाह को उनकी शूरता के बारे में बताया. देन निजाम शाह gave the जहांगीर टू मालोजी राजे भोसले. निजाम शाह ने मालोजी राजे भोसले को पुणे सूबे पारगन की जहांगीर दे दी. नाउ भोसले became rich and powerful. मालोजी राजे's wife was उमाबाई. She came from the house of निम्बालकर of फलटन. उमाबाई फलटन के निम्बालकर फैमिली की थी. मालोजी राजे had two sons, शहाजी राजे and शरीफजी राजे. When the Shahaji Raje was 5 years old, at that time Maloji Raje was killed in the battle of इंदापुर. जब शहाजी राजे 5 साल के थे तो इंदापुर के लड़ाई में मालोजी राजे की डेथ हो गई. आफ्टर हिज डेथ विठोजी राजे लुक द चिल्ड्रन ऑफ मालोजी राजे एंड ऑल्सो हिज जहागीर. विठोजी राजे was uncle of Shahaji Raje. विठोजी राजे was uncle of शहाजी राजे and शरीफजी राजे. मालोजी राजे की डेथ के बाद विठोजी राजे ने शहाजी राजे और शरीफजी राजे का और उनकी जहागीर को संभाला. देन ही आस्क्ड इन मैरिज फॉर शहाजी the daughter of Lakhuji Jadhav. I told you, Jijabai was daughter of Lakhuji Jadhav. Jijabai also brave and beautiful. Lakhuji Rao accepted his proposal. Lakhuji Rao was also brave and valiant Sardar. In the court of निजाम शाह के दरबार में वो भी एक शूर और पराक्रमी सरदार थे. He kept a large army of his own. He commanded a great respect and honor at the court of निजाम शाह. निजाम शाह के दरबार में उनकी बड़ी प्रतिष्ठा थी. Then he celebrated the wedding of Shahaji Raje and Jijabai with great pomp, and Jijabai became the fortune of Bhosle family. Now this point is finished. Next point I will teach you in next period. Thanks for listening me.